Why did I think of this sooner? What the hell? My Mehndi did not turn out as dark as I wanted, so let's try darken it. I've never tried this method before, so do not come for me. We're gonna be in this together. After this, I'm gonna try something fun with my Mehndi. That's gonna be part 2. I got this alcohol marker from Michael called Master's Touch. Yikes, we got a rebrand. In the color chocolate. I tried it on my hand and it looked really cool, so we're gonna try this and darken our henna. If anybody comes for me saying this is alcohol, it's bad for your skin, I mean, y'all be using this. And this has butane on top of alcohol. We love her though. We love her. I'm gonna make my mother-in-law not only love me, but be obsessed with me. This looks really good. Okay, let's try if it smears. We're gonna put some right here. Alcohol marker, it should dry really fast. It does not smear. Yay! I got my Beno Bayo. Look at this. This 3 I haven't touched up, and these I did. And look, you can't even tell the difference. And this is not even moving. Did this henna by myself. I am no way a henna artist, but you know what? Sometimes I try. I'm gifted like that. I can do both hands. One thing that I was really worried about is that the marker would bleed into my lines, and it is not bleeding through. This is giving the perfect amount of color because it's like see-through. It's not super pigmented, and it dries right away. There's a backside to it, and it's thicker. Oh my god, that'd be perfect for my tape. You guys see the difference? I did notice it has a little bit of a shine to it, so we're going to try to get rid of it. You tap it with Huda Beauty translucent powder. Make sure you're not putting a lot because that can make you look ashy. The shine is completely gone. Why did I think of this sooner? What the hell? I'm going to set it with the one size setting spray. This is not going anywhere. I will never have a bad henna day in my life. I see how I'm using my left hand to do henna while being right-handed. Very talented. Very demure. We are done. Look how beautiful. Go to part 2 to see how I put these jewels on my henna. Okay, bye.